Hi friends! Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore 25 amazing vegetables. Vegetables are full of vitamins and nutrients that help us grow strong, smart, and full of energy. Let's begin our vegetable adventure. This is a carrot. It's orange, crunchy, and a little sweet. Carrots help keep our eyes strong and healthy. Look at this broccoli. It looks like a tiny green tree. Broccoli is full of vitamins that make us strong and healthy. This is a tomato. It's red, round, and juicy. Did you know? Tomatoes are used to make ketchup, pasta sauce, and yummy salads. Wow! It's corn. Corn is yellow and super sweet. And guess what? It turns into popcorn when heated. This is a potato. It can be baked, mashed, or made into fries. Potatoes give us lots of energy to play all day. This is cucumber. Cucumbers are cool, crunchy, and refreshing. They make great snacks and add crunch to salads. Meet eggplant. Eggplants are deep purple and soft inside. They're great in pasta dishes and even as pizza toppings. Meet the peppers. Peppers come in lots of colors. Some are sweet and some are spicy like a fiery dragon. This is garlic. Garlic has a strong smell but makes food taste amazing. It also helps keep us healthy. Meet onion. Onions make us cry, but they add so much flavor. Chop them up, and they're perfect in soups and stir-fries. It's spinach. Spinach is a superhero food. It makes us strong and helps us grow big and healthy. Meet lettuce. Lettuce is fresh, crispy, and perfect for salads. It's light and healthy with a cool crunch. This is peas. Peas are tiny and full of goodness. They pop right out of their pods and are fun to eat. Here is zucchini. Zucchini is great for making pasta. Spiral it into noodles, and you've got a healthy dish. Meet sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are yummy and full of flavor. They can be roasted, mashed, or even turned into pie. Wow, mushrooms! Mushrooms are soft and delicious. They add a savory taste to soups, pizzas, and more. This is cauliflower. Cauliflower is light and fluffy. It's perfect for making cauliflower rice or pizza crust. Meet green beans. Green beans are crunchy and fun to eat. They make a great side dish and are easy to cook. We have pumpkin. Pumpkins are perfect for Halloween and pies. Turn them into jack-o', lanterns, or a yummy pumpkin pie. Meet bell pepper. Bell peppers come in many colors: red, yellow, and green. They're sweet and perfect for salads, stir-fries, or just as a snack. This is cabbage. Cabbage is big, leafy, and crunchy. It's great for making coleslaw or adding to stir-fries. Meet taro root. Taro root is purple and delicious. It's used in bubble tea and many tasty treats. Yummy celery. Celery is crunchy and full of water. Dip it in peanut butter or just enjoy it as a snack. Meet Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are tiny, but full of flavor. Roast them, and they become crispy and delicious. This is a radish. It's red on the outside and crispy white inside. Radishes add a little crunch and spice to salads and dishes.